Graco presents the Magnum assortment. Work faster, better, and easier thanks to the airless technology. This compact unit is ideal for decorating and renovating jobs for apartments or smaller houses. It has the perfect technical specification with an optimal result, and it pumps the paint directly from the paint bucket. This unit can be used fast and easily. Go to our website to watch instruction videos. With the Magnum by Graco A30, you can spray most materials: paint, staining, and varnish. These can be cleaned with water or dilutant. From the first use, you will immediately experience the effectiveness and the fast spraying results of the A30, thanks to the airless technology. Spray crosswise for a perfect result. A spraying technique, which is also used by professionals, guarantees an optimal performance and facilitates to spray 2 layers successively without any drops or lines. The benefit of this unit is the easy, fast, and comfortable use because you don't have to carry the weight of the paint. The A30 is ideal to prime and to finish. The special trait of the airless spray technology is that you can finally spray successive layers without waiting for the first layer to dry. Painting jobs are generally hard and boring. They take up a lot of your time. Thanks to the airless technology of Magnum by Graco, painting becomes more fun than you could ever have imagined. The video says it all. Thanks to its unique coverage, the A30 is ideal for decorative jobs. The benefit of Magnum by Graco is the atomization of the paint for more than 200 bar. That guarantees a unique spraying quality on all different surfaces. From now on, you can paint like a professional with Magnum by Graco. All benefits are gathered in the A30 for a perfect result. With Magnum by Graco, you can access all kinds of accessories, like a tip extension to reach harder to reach areas. Work like a professional with Magnum by Graco. Go to our website to consult our complete assortment of sprayers.